Hi guys, welcome back to Music Meets Psychology, and before we even know it, we are on the fifth video of the series. Today's song is a classic old Hindi song, which is the thing that strikes me the most about the song is the simplicity with which it has been filmed in that beautiful black and white color, so there are no colors in the video. The simplicity of the tune, the simplicity of the lyrics, and the lyrics that give out so much meaning and so much beauty from those simple words that are used in the song. The psychological principle that I attribute to this song is understanding the true meaning of life, making your life bigger than yourself, making your life better than what you could have ever imagined. So let's see what the song is. किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निसार, किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उधार, किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, जीना इसी का नाम है। किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निसार, किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उधार, किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, जीना इसी का नाम है। तुरु 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 So it boggles me, right? So I often find it so beautiful, and so I'm so amazed that a couple of words can give such a deep meaning to the way we look at things, and it changes our perspective so much. So किसी के मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निसार. So निसार means being able to sacrifice your life or to completely devote your life to a certain cause. So when you are able, even if you are able to devote your life in making somebody happy, किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उधार. If you are able to reduce somebody's pain, if you are able to lessen somebody's suffering by a simple act of kindness, and किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, if there is love for somebody in your heart, an unconditional kind of love which is not done because you get something out of it or you want something out of it, if all of these three things, even if one of them you are able to achieve, तो जीना इसी का नाम है. So this is what life is, and this is what life is all about. And every time that I go through these sentences, it really gives me a direction कि this is how I want my life to turn out. कि even the stanzas that we will be shortly looking at, even they say the same thing, that this should be your ideal. If you want to keep some ideal for your life, keep these sentences as your ideals. So let's see what the paragraphs say. माना अपनी जेब से फकीर है, फिर भी यारो दिल के हम अमीर है. माना अपनी जेब से फकीर है, फिर भी यारो दिल के हम अमीर है. मिटे जो प्यार के लिए वो जिंदगी, जले बहार के लिए वो जिंदगी, किसी को हो ना हो हमें तो एतबार, जीना इसी का नाम है. किसी के मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निसार, किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उधार, किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, जीना इसी का नाम है. So the stanza says that maybe I don't have a lot of money. The depiction of the song is also so sweet that the actor is going on the roads and he's sitting with beggars, he's educating the people who are there, and he's so lovingly, so simply, he's trying to give out the principles of life. कि maybe I don't have a lot of money to offer. को माना अपनी जेब से फकीर है, फिर भी यारो दिल के हम अमीर है. So the thing that we always keep saying, right, that you may have a lot of money in your pockets, but if there is no love in your heart, if there is no richness in your heart, then all of that really doesn't amount to much. So that is what he is saying too, that माना अपनी जेब से फकीर है, फिर भी यारो दिल के हम अमीर हैं. मिटे जो प्यार के लिए वो जिंदगी. Now this love does not necessarily have to mean romantic love. It can be love for a cause, it can be love for a person, definitely. It can be love for yourself, it can be love for a social cause to bring about some change in some social event. तो मिटे जो प्यार के लिए वो जिंदगी, द एबिलिटी टू से दैट आई एम रेडी टू सैक्रिफाइस एंड आई एम रेडी टू डिवोट माई एंटायर लाइफ टू अचीविंग दिस कॉज, इन गेटिंग अ स्टेप क्लोजर टू गेटिंग वॉट एवर दैट आई हैव इन माई माइंड अबाउट दिस कॉज इज ऑल्सो अ गुड वे टू लिव लाइफ. सो मिटे जो प्यार के लिए वो जिंदगी, जले बाहर के लिए वो जिंदगी. नाउ दिस इज अ कॉन्सेप्ट दैट जस्ट बॉगल्स योर माइंड, दैट जले बहार के लिए. नो बहार इज बेसिकली व्हेन फ्लावर्स ब्लूम एंड द प्रोसेस ऑफ ब्लूमिंग इज कॉल्ड बहार इन हिंदी. सो जले जो बहार के लिए, दैट इवन इफ from a simple act of kindness, if some person's life is blooming, if somebody's life is changing for the better, that is also good enough. So that is also जीना इसी का नाम है. What strikes me here is also that the lyrics don't give emphasis on, so I mean the lyrics distinguish between just being born and living, and that is very important, that all of us are born, everybody is, but then how many of us actually live? It's a question, it's a $1 million question that I really wish all of you think about. So yeah, that was the first stanza. Let's move on to the second one. रिश्ता दिल से दिल के एतबार का, जिंदा है हमी से नाम प्यार का. रिश्ता दिल से दिल के एतबार का, जिंदा है हमी से नाम प्यार का. के मर के भी किसी को याद आएंगे, किसी के आंसुओं में मुस्कुराएंगे. कहेगा फूल हर कली से बार बार, जीना इसी का नाम है. ला 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 ला. किसी के मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निसार, किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उधार. किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, जीना इसी का नाम है. So the paragraph 1 says that रिश्ता दिल से दिल के एतबार का, जिंदा है हमी से नाम प्यार का. If I am able to embody love, if I am able to embody affection and appreciation for some other person, तो जीना उसी का नाम है. कि मर के भी किसी को याद आएंगे. I mean, isn't that the absolute mark of having led a great life, that even after you are dead, somebody remembers you fondly. That's also important because there could be many people who are remembered in a very negative way. But the real deal is when a person remembers you so fondly even after you're gone, that he or she ends up crying in that longing. And that's what the lyric says, that किसी के आंसुओं में भी मुस्कुराएंगे. That when somebody is crying for you, even in that we are able to be happy, even in that we would be grateful about it. And जीना इसी का नाम है. So overall, this is a song that I feel tells you how life should be, tells you how an ideal life would be like. So when I was listening to this song, one thing that kept coming to my mind was that everybody out there wants to do something big with his or her life. Everybody wants to be successful. Everybody is very focused and determined in achieving the goals that he or she has set, and that's a very good thing. That's a really positive thing. But I think that we can harness the positivity that life has to offer even more if somewhere we realize that even if you are able to touch somebody's life, and that person's life is better because of it, in these small acts of kindness also you are living life. In these small acts of kindness also you are becoming successful. So nowadays when I talk to people, when I talk to peers of my age, I get the feeling that we are too focused on what we want. We are too focused on me, mine, my luxuries, my comforts, the way I want life to be. And I think that is how we diminish life. Without even realizing it, we really suck the pleasure out of the life. And then this is where the existential crisis sets in, isn't it? That सब है हमारे पास, पैसा है, करियर है, गाड़ी है, we have relationships, but still we are not happy. How many times have you heard people say this, that सब है लेकिन खुशी नहीं है? So I think that this is the formula to get that खुशी back in life. That start looking at your life bigger than just you. Start loving life bigger than just yourself. So it's not bad to run after comforts and to run after success, but to what end and to what limit, that understanding where to stop, where to let go is incredibly important. So that's it for today. I hope that this video made you introspect on your life, and do share your insights with me in the comments. I would definitely love to read them. And if you are watching this video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Talking Therapist, and keep following me on Instagram. If you are not following me, do go and follow for more videos and more content on mental health. So let's hope that after this song, we are all able to live life at the fullest, at the most possible beautiful way that we can. I'll see everybody next week. I hope you are all safe. Take care. Bye.